Hello everyone, and in today's lesson we're gonna learn how to do the split screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. I have prepared clips in timeline for two screens effect. On the first clip we can see the guy on the right, and on the second clip we can see the same guy on the left. First of all, we need to move our right guy so he will be in the center of the right split screen. Now we need to crop our unnecessary part of the clip. Search for the crop effect in the effects panel and drag it to the clip. Now we need to set our crop in effect controls panel. Set left crop value something like 42. Now you can see that we have some sort of split screen effect already. Now we need to add white splitter between the screens. We take pen tool and draw 2 points between the clips. Draw top point and bottom point. Now in the effect controls panel we need to choose white color in fill and stroke. Don't forget to check fill and stroke boxes. And you can choose your stroke width. The best would be 23. Let's move the line to our clips. Excellent! And now we've got our split screen. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and have a nice day.